Now then, Douglas McMaster reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we're getting Scottish with a no-nonsense mince and tatties. Though today that mince and tatties is getting a vegan twist. You may wonder what that twist is. The twist is that it is vegan, so it's not much of a twist. We are using these dehydrated sunflower seeds. This is an appropriation of a wholesome meat dish, swapping the meat for sunflower seeds. You may ask, why are we doing this if we have such an aversion to Frankenstein meat? Well, it's because in this example, it really does make sense. These sunflower seeds are a very pure natural product, and when cooked in this dish, in this way, it is at no loss of any quality. It's time to cook some sexy Scottish food. We're going to need 3 pans, potatoes in water. We are going to cook our root vegetables on a low heat. Don't worry about peeling the carrots. Dice it nice and small and neat. We've got some regular veg stock here, and we're going to just add it with some dried mushrooms and just literally simmer that for 20 minutes. When the root vegetables are nice and soft, pop in the tinned tomatoes. When the mushroom stock has had 20 minutes to infuse, just strain it and weigh it. What's really important is that the amount of liquid matches the recipe, because when you make a stock, the liquid reduces, and then if you don't have enough liquid, the recipe will be altered and it won't work. When the potatoes are soft, just strain them. Now we're just going to give them a minute to cool down, and then we're going to crush it and then pop in really good quality oil. So the tomatoes have been in there for 10 minutes, so they've got nice and caramelized and sweet. We're now going to add our mushroom stock over. When that comes up to a boil, pop your sunflower mince in. To finish this Scottish masterpiece, we're going to start cooking garnish. Feel free to use anything green that you fancy, some peas or whatever you want. We're just going to cook some leek tops, some really nice oil. We're going to add our vinegar, our sesame oil, which sounds like a bit of an Asian fusion, and it is an Asian fusion, but it really emphasizes those mushroomy umami notes. And then we've got a little bit of soy here, again pushing those dark flavors in a really healthy direction. I like to use a wee bit of garlic, and I always do this at the end. So I want the garlic to simmer for about 2 minutes, but that kind of much more fresh, fragrant garlic flavor will make the dish go pop. To finish the mince, we're just going to add our parsley in. I love the skin on, I love it to be rough. No tracking around. Look at that. Oh my lord. Look at that dark, syrupy, beautiful, rich sauce. So it's time to eat this piece of art. If you don't think this is beautiful, then please leave. Wow. That is so good. That is so good. Wholesome, no nonsense, uber delicious, like crazy delicious. The meatiness is like off the charts. Umami, umami, umami. Like really special. Really special. I dare say that this is vegan food at its best. This is one of those dishes that just make more sense with vegetables. And I know that's a really radical thing to say, because it's sunflower seeds as mince. This is genuinely the most delicious thing we have cooked on the Zero Waste Cooking School. Wholesome plate of joy. This is the end of this plant-tastic transmission.